Hi guys, this is Karma Grip amazing video stabilization for GoPro. For this GoPro camera, let me unbox it. Wow, this is Karma Grip. This is important document how to use manual. So this is Karma Grip, the GoPro stabilizer. This is USB-C cable. It needs to charge the grip. This is a mounting ring. You can mount your Karma Grip with selfie pole, GoPro pole. And this is the grip. Wow, really excellent. There is the charging port. This is the power option, and this is camera capture option, image capture. Now I am adding the camera into this grip. Now please follow this video, just twist and this. Okay, if you want to add again, make sure it match with this, and just that. Okay, now I am adding this mounting ring. It's very easy. That's it. Now I am attaching this grip. You can set your position. Then okay, now I am adding this camera to this Karma Grip. So at first remove this, just okay. Now I am adding this camera to this grip. So at first you need to press here, just press here. Okay, so I added it. Now press the power button. It's on. Okay, you can charge your Karma Grip by power bank. See that Karma Grip is charging. So Karma Grip is not waterproof, but GoPro camera is waterproof, and Karma Grip is very expensive. Always just almost same with same price, just like camera. So I need to give extra protection. So I bought a Karma Grip case. It is waterproof. You can keep your Karma Grip here. Let me show. Okay. That's it. If you want to update your Karma Grip, then connect it with your computer and make sure your camera is on, and it and GoPro quick software will be open. Okay, new update available for Karma Grip. I connect Karma Grip to PC. Let's click on update available. Now please select the terms and condition and click on update. If you want to add your grip to the pole, then just add it. Okay, I lock this position. You see, now you can make sure it is tight, otherwise risky. This is a mode button. By default this is pan mode. If you press this button, then go down, camera will go down. If you up the camera, the camera will up. Okay, if you release the button, then it will keep this position. Now if you want to back to normal, then just click 1. Now I am going to follow mode, just double click. This is follow mode. Okay, this is follow mode. Now if you want to get back to normal mode, just click 1 time. Camera goes to normal mode. If you turn it on, then click on this mode button or power button. And this is shutter button. If you capture video or image, then click here. And this is highlighted button. Also this you can change the mode of such as picture, video by clicking this mode button. And if you turn it off, just hold 2 to 3 seconds. That's it. Okay, now I am making this video without Karma Grip. and this is walking mode. Okay, now I am walking with the stabilizer. Okay, now I am running without Karma Grip. Now I am running with Karma Grip.